Hopefully YouTube doesn't mute it at the end of this video, but we'll see what happens. So anyway, here we go. So a lot of times when we're out adventuring, we get out and we're camping, and it's pretty dark, like it is here in the driveway, and we need to be able to see. So we have these really bitchin' bed lights that we've had, which allow us to get stuff out of the truck and get camp set up. And we have our really nice side lights, which provide us plenty of side lighting for setting up camp. And if it gets really, really bad, we can turn on these bright sons of bitches and light up pretty much anything behind us, which is really, really nice. But, sometimes we've actually found that it is difficult to see up here on top of the bed. And we store gear there, and sometimes we want light just on the tailgate, and we don't need a lot of it. So we went ahead and we installed some new light strips up underneath the tent. Now, you can see right here, plenty of light to see what you need or get things unloaded. Now, an added bonus with these is the fact that they also go different colors. We have our white, we can go green, we can go blue, and of course, we can go orange, because orange truck, right? Kind of have to do that. But one feature that these things have that are actually really, really cool is if you're setting up camp and you're in party mode, cheers, get out there and adventure.